Babe, get up. We're gonna miss breakfast. Get up.
Okay.
Let's go.
You should get it. Okay, I'm about to show you guys a magical mixture. Okay, you're not ready for this. Fresh rose face cream mixed with a drunk element D-Bronzi serum, okay? I'm gonna take a little bit of the fresh rose face cream. So this is a pollutant protecting serum. This is not sponsored. Put a dibbledy dab in here, okay? Mix it together. Look at how dark that is, okay? But wait for it. It's gonna give me a natural sun-kissed glow. Look at how bronzy my skin is turning. Isn't that a miracle? So that's a miracle little mixture. It's gonna protect you from pollutants. Wow. This Vichy Ideal Soleil 60. I'm just gonna put this on my nose and the top of my ears and a little bit just on the top of my forehead right here. And I'm putting it everywhere. I like a little bit of bronziness, but this is like where I would typically burn, so I'm putting that 60 there. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Tarteguard. Just a little bit. This has additional SPF in it, and I'm just gonna put that on top. Although I promise, like after this Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi, I don't feel like I need anything else on my face because it puts such a nice tint. It's like skincare with the Glossier skin tint mixed in. It's so cool. Oh, I need some lip fresh lip care now. Some lips that get dry. No. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Glossier Boy Brow. I have the shade Blonde. Just put that on my brows to set them in place. See there? Minimal. Mascara, I'm using the Tarte Lifted, even though it's slowly dying. A nice light brown mascara. It also, like when I'm at the beach, if I decide to jump in the water, it doesn't get all crazy and I don't turn into a raccoon, which is really nice. That's my lashes up. You can wear a waterproof mascara too if you want to add more on, but I just want a little bit of definition, so I'm just putting a little smidgen on. Okay, now normally when we've been going to the beach and or the pool, I've been soaking my hair in hair oil and then this Kevyn Shimmer Blonde. This is a sun protectant, this little guy right here, and this we just bought at the grocery store. Dan and I have both been using it on this trip, and I've been just soaking my hair in this and like either slicking it back or putting it in one, but I'm actually washing my hair. Watched it or washed it. I washed my hair, so I'm not going to do that, but just know that's what I've been doing to kind of protect my hair from chlorine, dryness, sand, etc. Deodorant, anti-smelling pit stick, and that's it. That's it for the bathroom. That's it for my minimal beach face. This is my little waterproof bag of swimsuits that I packed. I'm like, wear this one. Ready. This bathing suit is from Zara. It's probably no longer available. This, however, is my new favorite thing in the world. It's from Monki. I ordered it off of ASOS. It's just nice and light. And I think we're just gonna go to the pool this morning. So I'm just gonna button this up over top my bathing suit. I have my fanny pack, which is here. Now a lot of people on Instagram were like, where'd you get your fanny pack? We bought it at a random surf shop. What was it called? Jashaka?
Yeah.
Jashaka surf shop here in Lagos. It is Dakeen, which is like, I'm like a skater boy surf man by wearing this, aren't I? I'll go surf, bro. Sunglasses. These are also from ASOS. I will try to link them if I can find them below. Chapstick by Beauty Agave. I've got a vagina wipe because I don't want to get a bladder infection if we go to the beach. Our room key and gum, and then I'm gonna put our phone in. Ooh, that's a cute rat's tail. These are my favorite slides ever. The Treasure Bond ones from Nordstrom. Look at how much I've worn them in here. R.I.P. Okay, but I love them so much. And they basically molded to my feet. That's it. That's how I get ready for the beach or a pool day. This is how I've been rolling around and chilling, and this is what's been going on my face. I want you to know that we actually woke up to this. And now we're gonna go eat breakfast at the hotel and go do whatever we may through the day. So that's it. This is the OOTD, the FOTD. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!